Welcome to Referral Rocket. My name is Karan. In this video, let's talk about affiliate portal. So typically, if you're running an affiliate program, you want a dedicated space or an interface where your partners or affiliates can track the progress that they're making. They can actually look into how many referrals they've made, what is the status of those referrals, how much commission have they earned, and overall sort of progress that they're making on your campaign. When you first create a campaign, uh, you do get an option to allow affiliates to join the portal or not. And when affiliates join your program, there is a sign up link on the widget or on the form that they can use to sign up as an affiliate onto the platform. They can also directly sign up as an affiliate by just signing up as an affiliate on Referral Rocket. Now, when they sign into the portal, the first thing that they would get is a dashboard where that they can see a quick snapshot of the overall progress that they've made. They can see total impressions, number of referrals, revenue that they've generated for all their campaigns, any commission that's paid, any commission that's due, and in addition to that, they can see recent referrals as well and the status of that. In the programs list, they can actually see the programs that they are part of, and they can dive into or get additional details of those programs by clicking on the program, where they can actually see program specific dashboard. They can get a list of referrals that they've made and the status of that. They can track commission. They can get program details, and they can get access to the assets that you've shared with them. In addition to that, if they want to personalize their referral code, they can change the referral code as well.